How to fix Roblox not launching problem. If your Roblox is not launching, first you want to restart your PC. Sometimes a common bug causes the problem, so restarting it should fix it. And the other thing is, even after restarting, if it's still not fixed, then delete the Roblox game from your PC and re-download it. Sometimes a bug causes the issue, so deleting and re-downloading it should fix it. And even after doing it, if it's still not fixed, check your Wi-Fi. Roblox requires Wi-Fi to open up. So if you don't have an internet connection, it's not going to work. And even after doing all of this, if it still doesn't work, click on the search bar and type this option called run. And over here, you want to enter this little, code called %temp%. Once you search for this, it's going to show you all this folder. These are all the cache folders. So you can just select all of this and delete all this folder over here. Just make sure you do this. Once you do that, what you can do is restart your PC and try to open up Roblox. Your problem should be fixed. So I'm just going to cancel this now. And I'm even going to delete it from my recycle bin as well. And yeah, now my Roblox should launch. That's how you guys can fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.